Ever notice how broke people always have advice about your money? They say, treat yourself to that new truck. It's an investment. Yeah, an investment in Ford's stock price. Here's the truth. Wealthy people don't buy things. They buy assets. Welcome to the Millionaire Manual, your guide for mastering money and building lasting wealth. This channel is dedicated to teaching you how to take control of your finances, make smarter financial decisions, and unlock financial freedom. We break down complex financial concepts into actionable lessons designed to empower you. Whether you're just starting your journey or refining your strategy, you'll learn how to build assets and a life of financial abundance. From mindset to money moves, we focus on the tools that will help you build a financial empire. Because true wealth isn't about what you flaunt, it's about what you own, what you build, and what you leave behind. Let's dive in and start constructing your financial empire, one asset at a time. Let's start with the first one. It's one of the most powerful vehicles for building long-term wealth. Asset number 1, real estate. Owning real estate isn't about owning property. It's about owning permanence. The land beneath your feet doesn't vanish. It appreciates. It cash flows. It gives you leverage, rental income, tax advantages, equity growth, and most importantly, control. The wealthy don't just buy homes. They buy control. From apartment buildings to farmland, real estate is how the rich preserve wealth across generations. They don't flip it, they hold it. When the economy shifts, real estate remains stable. It's an asset that builds wealth steadily, brick by brick, and sustains empires for decades. And when you combine permanence with passive income, you get the next asset, one that ensures you're always building wealth even while you sleep. Asset number 2, dividend paying stocks. Dividend paying stocks are income machines that provide growth and cash flow on your initial investment. They pay you just for owning them, quarter after quarter, year after year. Dividend paying stocks are a powerful wealth building vehicle because they offer both growth and income. While the stock may appreciate over time, dividends provide regular cash flow that can be reinvested to compound returns faster. These stocks reward long-term ownership, turning passive holding into active income generation. But the wealthy don't just buy any dividend stocks. They target dividend aristocrats, like Coca-Cola and elite companies in the S&P 500 that have increased their payouts for 25 years or more. Wealthy people don't gamble on hype. They invest in reliable companies with proven performance. By accumulating and reinvesting dividends from these aristocrats, they build self-funding portfolios that generate income for life and wealth for generations. It's not flashy. It's financial architecture, and it's how the wealthy quietly build empires while everyone else chases the next hot stock. That's the power of patience. But what if you could own the entire market without picking a single stock? Asset number 3, index funds. Index funds are one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. They work quietly, efficiently, and relentlessly. Index funds mirror the market and diversify your risk. They offer low fees and steady growth. They allow your money to compound without the tedious process of stock picking. Warren Buffett himself recommends them. And for good reason. The rich use them to ride the waves of the stock market. When the market dips, you buy more. Because over time the market rises. Index funds give you exposure to hundreds of companies at once, spreading risk while capturing upside. They're perfect for automated investing, dollar cost averaging, and long-term compounding. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. And it's how the wealthy build portfolios that grow quietly, relentlessly, and generationally. But when the market shakes, the rich turn to an asset older than money itself. Asset number 4. Gold and precious metals. Gold, silver, platinum. These precious metals have long been trusted by the wealthy to build and sustain wealth across generations. They're not just commodities or shiny objects. They're strategic. They've survived wars, recessions, and revolutions, proving their resilience when paper assets fail in value. They don't yield interest, but they preserve power. They act as a hedge against chaos and serve as a signal of sovereignty. Central banks hoard them. Nations back their reserves with them. Because when currencies collapse, these assets remain valuable. In 2008, when markets crashed, gold soared. A reminder that it's not all about growth. It's about protection. The wealthy understand that gold isn't just an investment. It's insurance. It's the asset you hold when trust in systems begins to crack. While others panic during inflation or geopolitical tension, those holding assets sleep soundly. Gold doesn't rely on earnings reports or quarterly forecasts. It simply holds its ground. That's why it's a cornerstone in many generational wealth portfolios. Not to chase returns, but to anchor them. But not all assets are physical. Some are born in your mind. Asset number 5. Intellectual property. In today's economy, ideas, systems, intellectual property, and brand language can become wealth-generating machines when nurtured with intention. Unlike physical assets, intellectual property can be scaled infinitely. Duplicated without dilution, monetized across platforms, and licensed for passive income. Ideas are assets, if you can monetize them. Writing books, creating courses, building software, selling digital products. These are not just creative outputs. They're financial assets, create once, earn forever. The wealthy understand this deeply. They don't just consume knowledge. They license it. Every download becomes a deposit. Every stream becomes a sale. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be a creator of value. A YouTuber with one viral video. An author with one timeless book. A coder with one useful app. Each can build a system that earns money while they sleep. Intellectual property is how the rich turn creativity into cash flow and content into capital. These 5 assets aren't just financial tools. They're wealth-building assets. Own them. Protect them. Never sell them. This is your Millionaire Manual. If this resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and drop the phrase, "I will be wealthy" in the comments below. Because declaring it is the first step to becoming it.